Be ready. Start. They took immediate advantage of their conditions to make their own opportunity stop. In the book which we have specially in mind, we find that in most cases the man's work was valued during his lifetime stop. But the world is not always ready to take new ideas warmly to its heart stop. In every age, there are those who feel certain that there is nothing left for man to discover. There are others where in the new idea a danger to their own special interests stop. It is not always easy to look at something new with clear eyes to judge truly the value either of our own work or the work of others stop. We find ourselves thinking that because a thing has always been done in such and such a way in the past, then that must be the best possible way for it to be done, or because a certain thing has not been done before, then it should not be done now. Stop. We have to keep a careful watch upon ourselves in this respect and try to keep an open mind. Stop. If we try new methods in our own work, we shall sometimes be wrong. Possibly we shall often be wrong, but sometimes we shall meet with success, which makes worthwhile all our earlier labors. Stanza. Probably no more than one or two men out of all the millions living today can hope to do something so important that it will influence world thought and world action throughout the ages to come. But the methods which have served the great men of any age and helped them in their great work have value for us today in our less important work. Stop. By making the course taken by those who have been successful in their special fields, we can learn better how to deal with our own situation, our own difficulties in the field of thought and of action in which we are ourselves most interested. Stanza. Time plays an important part in every action of every person throughout the day, yet time is something about which we know very little and about which we understand even less. So, if in our desire to understand a little better the real meaning of time, we read a modern book on the subject, it is probably the experience of many of us that we understand it even less at the end of our reading than at the beginning, that we know indeed very little about the world in which we live. Stop. We read, for example, that everything that has been still is that everything which is to come in the future already exists. Stop. we read that the events which full stop over.